Hi there, this is Regina. In this video series, you will learn to perform math operations where there is addition and subtraction and multiplication and division in the same problem. So the question is, which operation will you do first? Luckily, we have an order of operation that we follow, and it goes something like this. You're going to do the grouping symbol first. For example, anything that is tucked inside the absolute value sign. For example, if you have 3 minus 5, then you'll do 3 minus 5 before anything else. Or operation within a parentheses, such as 4 plus 1 tucked inside a parentheses. Or anything that is grouped by a division bar would be done first, and then the other operations will come later. Sometimes you may even get a radical with an operation inside the radical. The second is the exponents. If you've forgotten what an exponent is, it is a number which is raised to the power another number. For example, 3 is raised to the power 4. In this case, you will have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. If you have 2 raised to the power 3, it will be 2 times 2 times 2. The second will be the exponent. Then we will do multiplication and division, whichever comes first. Multiplication or division, whichever comes first. For example, if you had 12 divided by 4 multiplied by 2, you would want to do 12 divided by 4 first and then take the answer and multiply by 2, and your answer would be 6. If you had 3 times 2 divided by 2, you would want to do the multiplication first in this instant because the multiplication came first. 6 divided by 2, which is 3. Finally, you have addition and subtraction. Again, whichever comes first. Addition and subtraction. So if you have 4 minus 7 plus 2, you would go negative 3 plus 2, and your answer is negative 1. If you had 4 plus 7 minus 2, you would have 11 minus 2, which is 9. If you like, you can think of Gemma as a memory jogger. Gemma, this is for grouping symbol. That's exponents. Multiplication or division, whichever comes first. Multiplication or division. Whichever comes first. And finally, addition or subtraction. Whichever comes first. Very good. Let's go ahead and do some problems now. We will start out with some very simple problems and then build it up to something a little more complicated. How about this? 3 times 2 squared plus 3. Again, I want to do the exponent first, so I will go 3 times 4 plus 3. The second operation is multiplication. So I will go 12 first plus 3, and then my final answer is going to be 15. Let's try another. 6 plus 3 times 2. Multiplication before addition and subtraction. So keep the 6 and simply do the multiplication. And then this is your answer. 6 plus 6 is 12. How about another? 2 squared. And in the parentheses you have 2 plus 3. And then outside the parentheses is a plus 5. We want to do the parentheses first, so 2 squared stays right there. This is a multiplication. Times 5 plus 5. The exponent is the second, so we want to do this one first. 4 times 5 plus 5. Then comes the multiplication. 20 plus 5. And then finally we get to add the two together.